In this video, I'm going to show you how to create sound effects with ElevenLabs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so ElevenLabs lets you create custom or generate custom sound effects from text prompts using its AI sound effects feature. You can create anything from ambient sounds and nature effects to cinematic impacts and sci-fi noises in just a few clicks. So the best way to achieve this is to come on over to ElevenLabs, sign into your account, and on the left hand side under the pinned tabs, click onto the sound effects tab. Now inside of here, you want to go ahead and click on get started, and then you're going to see this little box at the bottom here. So you want to describe a sound. So there's lots of different ways how to describe a sound. If you're not sure, just go ahead and use Claude, ChatGPT, and ask them to give you a few different prompts to put in it, depending what type of sound. Now, the more descriptive your prompt is, the better the generated result is usually going to be. So now for this one here, I want to go ahead and use this text prompt from ChatGPT. So I want this sound effect to be of a busy coffee shop with people chatting and dishes clicking. Now from here, go ahead and click on the generate button and then give that a few moments to generate. Now they've given us 4 different options here. So we can go ahead and press play on any one of these. So I'm going to press play on number 1. Now, from here, we can also add a loop. So looping SFX are designed to be played on repeat. The ending blends seamlessly into the beginning with no noticeable gaps. We've got prompt influence, so we can keep this low to high. And also we've got this one here, this option. So this does not automatically improve short or unclear prompts, so you can keep that on or off. So now I'm going to try another prompt here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Now I want this to loop, so I'm going to keep loop on, and then I'm going to go ahead and click generate. All right, so let's check out number 1. Number 2. So yeah, that's how to create sound effects using ElevenLabs, and a few tips here. So be specific instead of using short prompts like explosion. Experiment with different wording to generate unique variations, and then you can also save your favorite generations for future products and use downloaded sound effects in your videos, podcasts, games, or presentations.